money? No, because I know what it's like with Filipinos when they borrow.
I will pay you later.
Yeah, I've heard it all before, babe. I've heard it all before. Kuya,
Yes,
can I come in? I'm very cold. No,
Sir, you're not allowed to come.
yes, joke lang.
Oh, yeah, sure.
How much do you want to borrow?
No, it's alright na.
Oh, you're giving them?
Kuya have change.
All right, okay. No, you're not allowed to go in. So you got a strawberry milkshake. Which one you getting me, mate? Mate? Babe.
I tried this before and this one.
So you getting me winter melon, are you?
You want as well?
What do you mean? How
Dare you?
You want some?
Yeah.
Okay, dog.
Which is a nice one to try.
You have money, right?
Thai milk tea.
I don't know. You can try.
Oh, I don't know. They all look nice, look. They all look nice. That looks nice. Oh no, I've got. What about the jasmine milk?
I buy already. You need to buy another flavor, so we know. I tried this before, and this one, they not. I tried this.
Coffee milk,
I tried
cappuccino,
this.
royal milk tea,
What do you want?
choco. I'm gonna pay.
Yes, of course.
Why don't you treat me for a
I treat you
for a
only
treat?
in the street foods, right? So it should be you treat me
It's
as well like
outrageous. Absolutely
this. What do you
outrageous.
want?
Well, I don't think I'll have one if I've got to pay for it.
It's just only 100.
Only 100.
Yeah.
100's 100 to me. I don't know which one to have. Oreo. No. Royal milk tea.
Coffee milk tea.
Why is it all coffee and stuff? Choco peanut milk tea. Brown sugar. Get me. I'll try a cappuccino.
This one? Huh?
Yeah. Kuya. Cappuccino milk tea. But I need to come in.
Anate! Ay, kuya. Cappuccino may additional? Iyo, saka choco mouse. Choco mouse. Ano ito? Coffee? Cappuccino? Ice cream.
I just love Naga. Don't you love Naga? I love Naga! I'm standing behind Mel because I'm a gentleman. We've just had some street food and it's very hot. My mouth is burning. Oh God. Quick! Music! Quick! What's on? Try and block the music out. Oh. So we didn't get much joy at the other pharmacy, so we'll come to this pharmacy and Mel's going to get them to write down the prices of the different drugs, and then we'll sit in Plaza and we'll be able to hopefully sit quietly and tell you a few prices, which will make a few minutes long video. It's something, isn't it? They've done an amazing job at Plaza. It's beautiful. Just another reason to come to Naga, isn't it? Naga's lovely and clean, and lots of beautiful girls. What can I say? There you go. So we're having trouble getting all the prices of the ones we have got a list of. I asked for a list of medicines that people might need when they come to the Philippines, and the only response I got was from my friend Anthony, who supplied this list, and I think it's the medicine on it's to do with diabetes. I'm not sure, but you'll know what you want, babe.
Your hair is very long.
Yeah, it is very long. But we'll see. You'll know when we or rather when Mel reads the list out. You'll have an idea of what the medication's for, because you'll be using it, I imagine. I might get some nuts. Let's have a look. What? Okay. How much? 10 pesos.
10 pesos.
Thank you. I like me nuts. Thank you very much. Thank you. See how they put a few more in there as well. Always does it. When I go to him, you know, if I go to the other two, they don't do it. He must be appreciative of my patronage. So it is quite busy today. It is a Monday, and again, Plaza's not that busy. Under normal circumstances, Plaza would be full of people sitting down and chatting and what have you. Right, we've just been into another one. We do try and get you the right information and whatever, guys, you know. It's not that easy in the Philippines, is it, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not that easy in the Philippines, is it, babe? Yes.
Yeah.
You mean no?
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. So we're going to sit down and just tell you what the name of the medication is and how much. Is it all per tablet, Mel?
Per tablet.
Per tablet. Well, if what she's just told me is anything to go by, it's not going to be cheap for you guys. Is it generic, Mel, or is it the main stuff? Branded. Right, so this isn't generic. It's the expensive stuff. So you could get generic. Look, I'm no expert on medication, but from some of the stories I've been told while I've been in the Philippines, I would not get generic. I would try and get the branded stuff. You're going to sit there, babe, and then I can video your legs. Let's have a look. Let's make sure you're on the camera. Right. So you'll have to speak up, babe. You can pull that down for now, can't you? It doesn't matter, Mel, because we're together and there's nobody around.
Amlodipine.
What?
Amlodipine.
Amlodipine.
It's 6.45. 6.45 cents. 6 pesos and 45 cents. My God.
Right, that's not a lot then. Right, we've decided. I've looked at the list, and we're probably going to cremate the names of the medication.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put you a list on the screen and how much the medication is, because otherwise you're not going to have a clue what medication we're on about. So, have you got anything more to say about anything, Mel? Does anything come to mind what you'd like to talk about? No. What's it like being married to a foreigner, a handsome foreigner, I will add?
No problem there.
What?
Handsome? Are you handsome?
I don't know. You keep saying I am.
Yeah, it is. You handsome. I will buy something there.
What?
I will buy something.
You'll buy something. Right. I've got a few questions about a lot of things, and one of them is how a lot of foreigners can't understand why the Filipinos like them. And the Filipinos say things to them online like age doesn't matter, looks doesn't matter, circumstance, like financial status rather, I'm taught like an American now. Wait a minute, baby, I give you a chance. And it actually does matter, right? But beauty's in the eye of the beholder. So, Mel, does looks matter?
Yeah.
The matter. So, if I'd have looked a certain way when you met me, you wouldn't have, well, you wouldn't even have spoke to me in the first place, I guess.
I think so.
Yeah.
Massage.
You can get a massage, yeah.
Yeah, you have.
They're refurbishing it.
Before, right?
Yeah, I had a massage the other day because of me hurting my back, and the next day my back was a lot better.
Service.
Yeah. But there's no happy ending, is there, babe?
And you know, guys, when me and Chris first like meeting, this is the place that we always meeting here, and I feel embarrassed if I'm gonna sit down here.
Why?
Before, it's been a long time na that some of the prostitutes they asking happy ending here. Sir, you want happy ending? I don't want to think I'm like that.
Yeah, she didn't want them to think she was a prostitute. But this is funny, isn't it? First time I told Mel, I said, meet me in front of Pure Gold in the plaza, right? Because I didn't bring my phone and she couldn't get any response off my phone, she says she looked all around plaza, being I was just over there, and she couldn't find me. Look at that, Mel. And she couldn't find me. I mean, it's not like I stick out like a sore thumb, is it? So, on this second occasion, you found me, didn't you, Mel?
Yeah.
It's crazy, some of the things over here. Oh God, I'm getting covered in flies because I've got some scratches on me, and the flies are landing on the scratches. So you can see by it all here, guys, it's totally different to what it used to be. Totally different. So we're going over here because you're going to get something. What's a secret?
It's a milk tea.
Oh, you're going to get the milk tea? She's going to get the milk tea. She's all... Now you know why she's looking like she's having another baby, because it's because of all these blinking melties. And she eats that, she drinks that, what's that soda called you keep getting? Sting, right? It's like an energy drink, and she's addicted to it. Every time she has something to eat, she's got to have a bottle of this Sting stuff.
Every time my dad saw me, he annoyed to me. Why
Yeah.
you always doing like
Yeah, no, it's not good for you.
But it's nothing changed.
So, you probably know the reasons now, guys, that it's very hard to come to the Philippines. Oh, got lights. Lights, yeah. And find a middle-aged lady that's not a little bit overweight, and in a lot of cases a lot overweight. It seems to get to a certain age and then everything just explodes. I don't know.
They have the skate there before, skate there.
Skateboard, yeah. There used to be a skateboard park there, and it's gone. So I think I'm pretty lucky that Mel's had 2 kids and she's still got a nice figure-ish. Yeah.
The mayor.
That's the mayor, Nelson. It used to be Mayor Bongat, but he was in his full term, so he couldn't run again. He was a good mayor as well, Mayor Bongat. Nice man. Very nice man. I believe it's Mel. I believe it's the mayor's, he's assistant, vice mayor, that's the one. Wow. It was the vice, he used to be the vice mayor, didn't he? Yeah. And now he's the mayor. So, I hope that the medication we have managed to list, the ones that they could give us the price of, is helpful to you. There's one of them, it's about 116 pesos, which we didn't list, per tablet. So I don't know which one that is. So Anthony, I think is there about 2 you couldn't get prices for, Mel? So, eh? No, just 1 we couldn't get a price for. So we got music playing, so I'm going to end it there, guys. Over to you, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe
And share our videos.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.